This is the Method Golf CaddyStack system. Method Golf CaddyStack is a phone mount and accessory ecosystem for all golfers, no matter how you get around the golf course.
We're passionate golfers. We didn't like that there wasn't a good place to put our phones while we were golfing during our rounds. We took a look at what was out there to see if there were any good options. They didn't attach very securely. They didn't hold the phones very securely. And they didn't give us the access and adjustability to the phone so that we could use them the way we wanted to while we were golfing. So we knew there had to be a better way. And so we set out to develop the CaddyStack system so that we could solve this problem.
An issue I've always found on the golf course is, what do I do with my phone? I throw it in a cup holder, throw it in the golf cart, it bounces around. It didn't give me the access that I wanted. I wanted to have access to my emails. I wanted to have access to text messages. I have a golf app I use for yardages at times. And then I wanted to take videos of my swing, and there was nothing out there on the market that allowed me to do all of that. Also, the other phone mounts that I've tried, they're hard to install, they're kind of cumbersome, and then they just don't hold onto the phone tight and securely. And so that's why we came up with the CaddyStack to solve all these problems.
We decided we wanted to make this mounting system magnetic based. We looked at the magnetic attachment systems out there. None of them were good enough for what we wanted to do. They just weren't sturdy and secure enough. So we came up with the next generation magnetic mounting technology for it, so it's rock solid and secure. We wanted to make sure that your phone was also secure and had the adjustment that we talked about, but we also want to be able to take your phone in and out very easily from the cradle. So we've got a quick release cam lock on there, so you just flip the lever and you can pop your phone out if you need access to it outside of the carrier. And then when you're done golfing, we wanted this thing to come off easy, but then also fold up compactly so it would fit in your golf bag. We developed the system originally so it would work with the golf cart, but we quickly realized that not everyone rides in a cart. Sometimes I push, sometimes I carry. We wanted this to work for all golfers, no matter how they get around the course. And so we made bases so that they work for each scenario.
So we design bases no matter how you get around the golf course. However, what about the rest of the accessories that I use throughout the entirety of the round? I want access to those just like I want access to my phone, and that's where the CaddyStack found its magic. We've created a system that creates stackability for all your accessories. So now you can create your perfect method.
One of the first ones we came up with was the rangefinder, because we all use a rangefinder. And so we created a tile attachment system. It allows you to stack. And when you can stack, you can put a lot of accessories in a compact space, which is really nice on your bag.
We all have our own method, and it's different with every golfer. Jeff and I are very different as far as that goes. I like to keep on the golf cart, I like to have my phone mount, I like to have my towel, my brush, and then my rangefinder. I like all that at my fingertips. However, we have a home base mount that goes on your bag, and then you can transfer your accessories between the two. So anything that I don't keep on the golf cart with me, I keep on my bag, and I kind of just use the two kind of in conjunction with each other. And that's my method.
One of my favorite methods is I like to create a stack to go greenside. So I want the small towel, I like the brush, and I like the divot repair tool.
So it's not in your pocket.
And the ball marker, so it's not in your pocket. And so then I create a little stack with all those, and I can just grab it off my bag. I go greenside, I chip, I clean my ball off, I mark it, do whatever I'm gonna do. Then it all goes back in the stack, and then I just grab it with my club.
Yeah, you can just grab it with your club and pick it up
back up,
go.
And then boom, it's back on my bag is where I like to keep my greenside stack.
Yep. All the accessories right at your fingertips.
Yep.
The phone portion is such an important part for me. I like to have access to my phone on the golf course. I mean, the text messages come in. I love using my app, but I also like to watch a football game once in a while while I'm on course, or even the Masters. We were out watching golf, right? And it's just nice to be able to turn your phone in a portrait or landscape mode, so you have access to everything that you use your phone for. And then we've been taking videos of our swing, and especially on those days where the swing gets like a little bit shaky. It's nice to take a video, see what I'm doing, and hopefully try and correct it. We have 3 patent pending systems that work for all golfers, whether you carry a bag, whether you push a golf cart, or whether you prefer to ride in a golf cart.
So no matter what base you choose, it's gonna come with 4 accessories right off the bat. First thing you're gonna get is the highly adjustable phone holder. You're gonna get the rangefinder strap. which is also magnetic attach, which works on all rangefinders.
rangefinders,
You're gonna get the amphibious towel, which is super sweet, and then you're also gonna get a brush.
What's great is all the accessories transfer between the systems. So no matter what I'm doing on the golf course, I have access to all the accessories that I want at my fingertips.
We're not your typical Kickstarter company. We've spent decades designing and developing for high horsepower applications, and it made sense for us to take those resources and move into the golf space.
We're passionate about golf, and we knew with our experience that we could build the most innovative accessory ecosystem that works for all golfers. We are so stoked to be launching the innovative CaddyStack system with the Kickstarter community. Our backers will get the best deal and guaranteed delivery of the CaddyStack system this summer golf season. And guys, this is just the beginning.
We'll see you guys on the course.